Under a stormy sky, Lena, lost and alone, stands at the forest's edge, her silhouette framed by flashes of lightning. Thunder cracks as she peers into the dark, ominous woods, her heart pounding with a mix of fear and excitement. Driven by the howling wind, Lena seeks shelter, each gust carrying whispers of the unknown. The storm mirrors her inner turmoil as she steps into the shadows, ready to face whatever awaits. Lena stumbles into a clearing, an ethereal glow enveloping her, a beacon in the heart of the dark forest. Beneath the pale light stands Kael, the Wolf King, tall and graceful, his presence commanding yet serene. His eyes glow with a captivating mix of wildness and kindness, piercing through the night. Lena's fear melts away, replaced by an unexpected calm as she gazes upon the Wolf King. "I offer you safety," Kael says, his voice a soothing rumble that promises shelter in the wilderness. Sunlight filters through ancient trees, casting dappled shadows as Lena and Kael walk the winding path. The air vibrates with the realm's quiet energy, a symphony of natural beauty and ancient wisdom. Lena's eyes widen with curiosity, captivated by Kael's stories of his people. Kael speaks with earnest passion, his voice filled with a desire to protect the delicate harmony. They share stories, dreams, and fears, weaving a tapestry of deep friendship. A genuine connection blossoms between them, rooted in mutual respect and understanding. Fear grips the village as torch-bearing figures gather, their faces illuminated by flickering flames and fueled by dread of the Wolf King. Lena stands resolute, a beacon of unwavering determination against the encroaching darkness, her posture defiant. Her voice cuts through the night, resonating with hope as she speaks of unity and embracing differences. Lena's words weave a spell, inspiring the villagers to see beyond fear and recognize the strength in compassion. Hesitantly, torches are lowered, the flickering flames mirroring a profound change of heart spreading through the crowd.